Mahama. You see, I always say I'm more about so about here. But I heard the enjoy ya. Oman penny ya bo abaswa enye ye.
Ebusan for aha Galamsey TV GH. Make like, a comment, a subscribing, and for notification so turning on so that anytime you post a video, we will start making it.
You can call baby ana water treatment plant and one. Na mo amohwe ha se ne enso ya yi. Nkwala di agro mu di agro nso yi mu. Na mamefo edi omo ka che ne se nka ha. E na nka kwesi ada se no. Ebi mu kwa benu aduane wa ha de kofie. Omo mo be senior ma wa ha. Omo mo senso na kofie senso na kofie no. Look at this beautiful running water. Penny ba kwa na ye share no kwa so mu nyina mu hu ye. O de video of nsuo no. Se na na sitie July year yo. E de che yen. Now the comparison and so ya na aye ne ya na ano edrin. The extra government communications minister aha aye ne region ne say ne manfo ewu ne manfo enya nsuo ennom. What's your evidence? Evidence no yankofa o baby ya ye fa wo no ani krom ono ani nkrofo ne abefa evidence na iden amano. Onhwe evidence ye de amani na enumanim ya oma omampani ne yandisi aban ensanka no mo nsore prekope. Amanfo mo mankro kwanyako asafo entumi ntwen se ye ne Galamsey fo wo Eastern region anko wiansa o manya nsu anom ti de esense nka betumi a enemani ya o ma boreholes bi mra ha ne yensisi boreholes ye tutu boreholes ma community no no mutumi nya nsu anom boso me ba akọ ne afanie kwanyako Ghana water entumi processing nsu esa de se na nsu na ye no ntomanfo nya nsu anom ye sere ya ba ya bete ma me ba akọ se aha no eni simpenifo bebre free ha honorable Awemo Professor Awemo ni ade nyina afiri ha ya besere omo ye party ne mu mpenimfo omo fa no omano ntum na aban no meye boreholes ma omo manfo no me den omo nom na afi yentu Galamsey fo yi so sayie afi ya ye de evidence na ba no enhye aban kutupa ne ma no nkranhye na ontu omo so sa eyie esense ne a omo ye ne sisi ara honorable Felix Kwachofosu wo say open evidence no ye de amount yankofa o baby anso wa wukrom na ebefa friye to ho na moman na yentumi nya nsufan den honom
Mahama. You see, I always say I'm more about so about here. But I heard the enjoy ya. Oman penny ya bo abaswa enye ye. Ye ko bisa so a o si yankofa evidence emra. Enne ye nyina ya ba ha se hwedia ekosui. Amanfo e wa ha nya nsuo na o manom. Present Tesi a wo se sika wunya wo gold board ene gold hunti ama ho asem aye odin omanpani untimi emfa sika wunya ho na wo ma amanfo e wa ha enya ensu papa enum de a ne je so omanpani ye koya anase ye bai ye pawo chow we de ye srew wo se yanka ne ama wa ba so a omanpani wo be che ye ba de koso e die wadawro ma ye koto srew President Mahama, would ya wa show NDC for Munina Monchebi? It is sway, send ye tea, Yakasi ya cost and you say ya. Ebe den a man for your piano. Central region so yen to go to a habebia. And so I want to Swanti and Mamunya in Sunum. President Mama Yakoto Srewo, President Mama Yakoto Srewo, Wadaru Matia Sufre, Nama have for Enyan Sunum. Nama Ghana Galamsey emrase wa na wo kan ye say wo ba wo the state of emergency beba because wo catch president Akufo-Addo wo so be president ni bi eti adentin na wo de wo timi enya ade no ma ye nyina ye huntoy ye srew se ni abrofo ni tie bia a felito fosu kwati e chechem say ye ntia ase se ni tie bia.
Good morning our friends from the media. We are currently at the Kwanyako water treatment area. As you can see behind us, the Ayesu River is what we see behind us. And you can all see how bad the situation is. We've already been to other locations together. We saw the Mankron situation. We've seen the Enuma Pepem situation. Yesterday, we also saw the situation at the Upper Dentra East area and how mining is happening blatantly right on the highways and how it's destroying our water bodies. We are having this conversation this morning simply because of, for us, the body language and the posture that the government has taken. We believe that it is a posture that doesn't inspire hope and doesn't encourage us and give us the assurance that the government is willing and ready to deal with this Galamsey menace. As you can see, and I'm sure you've already gathered from the community, more than half or about half of the central region currently do not have potable drinking water because the Kwenyako water treatment plant has been shut down. The community members tell us that this is something they haven't experienced before. That they have never seen this Ayesu River here looking this way. Very, very bad. It's never been like this until about 2.5 months ago. The very painful aspect of it is that the community members, or even in this district, Agona East District, Agona West, Gomoa Central, and all of it adjoining districts, none of them have mining going on in their areas. And so you have a community that have nothing to do with mining. They don't know what gold is in terms of seeing raw gold. They have never been engaged in mining before. Right ahead of us here is somebody's farm, which we have to walk through and come here. And they have to suffer the consequences. So this community is struggling. About half of Central Region do not have potable water because there is active Galamsey going on in the Eastern Region, somewhere in the Yesuano area, Enuma Pepem, to be precise, where we are just coming from. And the repercussion or its negative effect is being felt by hundreds of thousands of people in close to about 11 other districts in the Central Region. Think about it. The mining is happening in the Eastern Region, and you have over 11 districts suffering the consequences when they have nothing to do with mining. In Swabia, a waste, the figure now water for dam mono. Chemicals, a mumano, and no mosa, and the new Diane, Eddie. You can't a buying penny for say, you for evidence a match from one son, almost to one more. Where your MP penny NDC, where your man no da chinty, where your young man upon Mudinti. To Madaroma, Mama yan for evidence way, near fan comma a buying, not buying who, near can't say yes, Sereno. Near ma ye and nano na and to me and Quentia Galamsey na or Cassatia na, and no one all ya or see your bones in Manano, your bones in Momana and ye. Won't to mean Coswa and ye a dear Cassatia ya no crack, yen ye to me say ye and nano, yen to me and yasom faso. Now ya was your bones in Mount. Abaya abetwam including Onuan Kasa or Mampeni Mahama Nabreso or the soldier for room near Galamsey for near Bomo near the Omoko court near Shechan fan near Yashi excavators a BNua etumiti yes winning. Anunti and our Mampeni John Dramani Mama near Bampeni for yeah caught into election 2024 no. Omonde Boshe Makumaku and Siama yes how Boshe dear or minor to a bammo no bear Mampenia or Besha Swaye or Bayano. Boshe ni more than my no, a muba cocoa anywhere, why, and no, and a higher no. And no pay, Yadis said, and say, Abai, and this Amayoko, on Mampeni, yes, row. Boshe now the Mayano, yet the evidence now, she, Nedis are Boshe so. That's a this year would this one, at least, Yabenya, I want to be said, and she shall now the Babano, Ayasun Kunti, a beer and no, a bet to me aboa. Sisia now. Wajia to say gold that West 40 of my way muka brocheno and move more than 60%. Uto figure I'm saying for what dear. And my yam shishi and say, one check, Nasa Yamaya no a day, me a my near idea. Baby a winner will seek a free dear. One ya, to an amua would be sisi am home. The Agana my Kenyan say, Sikaniana would Yamaya. By a shay young quan, near Shesika, Yabefa young quan. It's you when you free Galamsey for Sicanoso. Na boy young Quahubai. Now we are no crack a Kamaya. Yabeboso, Ajoso. Yay, MPP Amayoko. Yan Jin this a senior NDC Amayoko, Edit Galamsey politics. Yan Suyanesa. ya gidi se nioma bebre wo ho a ndisi aban no omo ntumi yo me no troka enya Galamsey nko na yehia na yetumi de tu ndisi aman yokuo amambuo bɔ ne yefiri so eti ye betumi ayi bibia ba Galamsey de ye mfan ye politics na mom ye tu ye ho asi wo se saban ni tu anamo a ebebo a ye de ho beka wo ne abo no ene ya ndc fo nyina ade omo akodi Galamsey yi mu a apadencha is ye kɔ hɔ apadencha is chairman ewo camera so a oye Galamsey a ono soja fo akun emma ye ne da so ene ya attorney general ankasa atrama security agency say vice chairman of the NDC national organizer of the NDC ojidi say omo ye Galamsey de ye yem hihie ene ya a win traditional council actual petition abro mampani say NDC MP wa win omo jidi say oye Galamsey emma ye yem hihie ene ya ene ye ba ye nam yi be bia ba rabia ye say NDC for site be bia ba rabia ye say NDC for site emma ye yem hihie say senia NDC for mpanimfo de omo ho akodi Galamsey ni mu no si amaye ni ayeden ne yankasa de ya wan hwa na omampani ne NDC aban no oman ye bibia afa ho yesra mo yebu nkotoje sra mo se omo ne omo NDC party for na ewura Galamsey site ne nkasa na omo kan kire mo se omada Roma se betumi a omo nja
kofa yesi GMFo omsi ye wo akola ni tidu ni na enu na so enum hwan na turbidity of water and ampra uti okujoto the turbidity of the ampra I can say Prayer River is gone and Cobra is gone hwan is gone and then gone here what you say no mass sense will be SCC woman ehunu yen enya ko sisen o ti ase sansem we nyina maka yenya abotre etie mu na mo de eba ni eka bia mo si gisi ebo president mama abaso na be da bo na abaso eti president mama sei na oman ya di ehye wonsa ena odi ekowie me ka pani bi asem o si NDC is a threat to democracy o ti ase and indeed esi so say Chief Justice Mua yetimi yi na di say wode ne kru ne ba tu kwan ye wi a ya sa stripping off ne benefits our koye judge 30 years enfantini ba eraba it's about tokonu araba 30 years a was some as a judge no ya say ne entitlement nyina finisa mami once di kura on fan kofie me gidi say adia president mahama ye mami ni re fida ni re enfida say wode ne ba eni ne kunu keke me kura po de enka mami no ne kunu enya asem en wode ba court ena nka maame no ye Chief Justice nti ofa akwan bi so ma ne kunu ye twitwa age no aka me nka hwe o ana se ne ba ge no wotimi nya asem ena maame no ye Chief Justice nti o ma judge bi ye ni bibi dia ese asem no a ena nka me nka hwe na mo ne yire ne kunu ne ba anya hwe no wade o mutu kwan a ye gina so ayi nadi na Chief Justice entiment transfer will be there. Correct transfers are hodwa to even regional directors ye. Police transfers are hodwa one more ye. It is na we nyina enya papa. Any amanfo will be ekire o. Amanfo will justification on be meki. Keke say wan sharp. udidi ewie na obi anum so didi wi ansuo na onum na akonum koku a wa ebone oti ase wo ba ube kirekirem ne ntia obe na mi sesi ade o man no mi ni ani da so obi abiebo keke onum ne ntia sa apostle safo wawu ko formula yi nyame de amano yankutie papa yi de ko enti o man no de mi ni ani da so obi azizi ya kofa formula yi e wo hemfa
formula dey hu formula
nyankopon si o man yi die no according to asofo no wo mo se wo apostle safo eho ni enko asa na September ya so na president Mahama supreme leader wonko wanko so wuti ase wanko edna papa yi so awu ko enti sesi o man ne de keke
formula doko
si etimu ani se be ye nimo enti no aya abra ho sem obe ni dan
Paul Yandoh with us.